This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. The Supreme Court today will hear a PIL seeking continuation of the efforts to rescue 15 miners trapped in an illegal coal mine in Meghalaya's East Jaintia Hills district for almost 2 months now. A bench headed by Justice A.K. Sikri on Monday said that it seems to be certain that nobody is alive. On January 28, the court had asked the centre and the Meghalaya government to continue their efforts to rescue the miners trapped in the coal mine at Khlu Ringsan in East Jaintia Hills district of Meghalaya. Since then, a multi-agency rescue operation has been underway to evacuate the miners. The government of Meghalaya yesterday notified the date for the elections to the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council to be conducted on the 27th of this month. With the official announcement, the Model Code of Conduct has come into force in the whole of the Khasi and Jaintia Hills regions. The Deputy Commissioner, Election, East Khasi Hills District has directed all arms license holders to deposit their weapons at the nearest police station for a peaceful, free and fair conduct of the elections. For the first time, the Assam Finance Department is using social media as an additional platform to inform and engage citizens on the state's 2019-20 budget. A decision to this effect was taken by the Finance Department. Over the past 11 days, the Finance Department has reached out to more than 1.6 lakh people by posting 200 feeds on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. One of the key objectives of the social media campaign outreach strategy through this budget app called Assam Budget is to create a bonding with the vibrant pool of youngsters and many other tech-savvy people in Assam. The budget will be presented by Finance Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma in the Assembly tomorrow. The Eastern Army Commander, Lieutenant General MM Naravane, reviewed the security situation and operational preparedness of the security forces and Assam Rifles in Nagaland yesterday. The General Officer Commanding-in-Chief of Eastern Command was on a 2-day visit to Nagaland since Sunday. On his arrival in Kohima, the Eastern Army Commander called on Nagaland Chief Minister Nephew Rio and discussed the security situation in the state. He also visited headquarters of Inspector General Assam Rifles North and border locations of eastern Nagaland to review the security situation. Lieutenant General Naravane complimented the Assam Rifles for carrying out a commendable job in efficiently managing the security situation in Nagaland. Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu has exhorted officials to work hard to root out corruption from the state. At an interactive session with heads of departments and government officers at Pasighat in East Siam district yesterday, Mr. Khandu said Arunachal, along with Nagaland, has earned a bad reputation for failing to contain corrupt practices. Those in position today must take the lead, he asserted. He said Arunachal is eager to march ahead in all spheres and invited ideas from officials on the matter. Arunachal has the potential to become one of the richest states in India, the Chief Minister said. To promote tourism, trade and cultural exchange between Northeast India and Southeast Asia, the Northeast India Festival will be held in Central World Bangkok on the 9th and 10th of this month. The initiative has been taken up by the Northeastern Council and will be organized by Trend MMS with support from Indian Embassy in Thailand. As part of the festival, a meeting between tour operators in the Northeast and tourism department officials of the region with tour operators of Southeast Asia is expected to be held. The festival will feature exhibitions of Northeastern handicrafts, apart from fashion shows, to promote the rich attire of the region. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.